Afternoon, everybody. This is Karen. Well, actually, it's even. It's like 8:30. I wanted to do it earlier. Yeah, Fear I can't even see. Okay, let me see. There we go. Okay, so here's his blue perch, but he's opted not to be on it. That's okay. Okay, Fear. Good boy. Fear's like dancing in the bottom of the tub. Oh, he likes to snap his wings. Fear, we're gonna get your chest feathers. Oh my gosh. He's holding the side of the bowl. See, what he's doing when he moves his beak like that real fast, he's getting the droplets out of his mirrors. That's going to be the holes on the beak. Freedom, you're such a pretty boy. Are you excited? Do you love your bath? Now remember, to give your bird a bath, you should only use one plant sprayer. Label it bird only. And you want to use lukewarm water with a mist. You want to spray your bird with a hard line of water like you're, you know when you go to the fair and you fill up the balloons? Isn't that hilarious? Oh my gosh, I used to love that when I was a kid. Hey Freedom, it's the balloon pop. Okay, so you see I'm using plant sprayer. Hi Freedom, let's get bird. And also you don't want to spray directly into their eye. You want to do a light mist above their head. Okay. Alright, be careful. Alright, we're signing off. Live. Woo! From the tub. It's Freedom the Parrot. Have a great night.